Good electronics buyers don't just issue purchase orders. They evaluate vendors, build relationships, monitor inventory levels, and ensure that parts arrive on time to meet demand. Z-Axis is committed to training good electronics buyers, and we've learned to look for what they can bring when they join our team. For example, good buyers must read and write well. Most vendor communications happen through email, and a buyer who's a slow reader or unclear writer may struggle to keep up. Buyers also need strong math skills to identify price breaks and compare what different vendors may offer. Computer skills are essential because applications like Microsoft Excel are now tools of the trade. Attention to detail is critical to avoid errors in order quantities and pricing. Good buyers run reports to avoid stockouts, but they also avoid purchasing too many parts. Making informed decisions is a big part of the job. Order quantities can be complex, and buyers need to consider packaging formats, usage rates, reel sizes, and cost to determine the best stocking horizons. Understanding when to order parts in different packages is essential, and buyers who work closely with engineering provide value to both departments. Sound judgment is important, but so is self-discipline. Good buyers manage their time well, and they can juggle visibility, per-week spend, lead times, and customer-specific risks when ordering parts. Healthy ambition is also a key ingredient in a buyer's success. The role comes with authority, but it brings responsibility. Good buyers take the initiative to find opportunities while treating vendors with respect. Building strong supplier relationships is well worth the effort. If a part is in short supply, a vendor is more likely to prioritize an order from a good customer. Good electronics buyers are an important part of Z-Axis's success, and their initiative and people skills bring benefits not just to our company, but to our customers.